Hello everybody, this is Multilingual Family. Is your dinner table language friendly? That's the topic of today. The day has only 24 hours and we parents are normally busy people trying to split our time between sleep, work, family, friends, hobbies, children, and it's not always easy to find time to support the language acquisition of our children on a daily basis. Now, I would like today to show you one way how you can use your time during meals more efficiently to expose your children more extensively to the target language. So I'm talking about using the so-called busy pictures. You probably know the book called Where's Waldo? It's a very known book where you can see on every page a lot of things happening. It's like the pages are stuffed with pictures and with drawings and so on. And here I have an example of how another busy picture could look like. As you can see, it's not that busy, but you can still see something happening here. And what you could do is go to a bookstore and, for instance, lend yourself one of those books or buy one of those books and copy those pictures and make them big, and you could laminate them the way I did it, like this, or you could also place the paper underneath a plastic table set if your child is still small. So why are busy pictures great for language development? Well, first of all, with busy pictures you can play a lot of games. Kids can observe familiar and unfamiliar things, and most of all, they can comment. You can comment on things that you see here, ask questions, answer questions. Busy pictures encourage discussions between the whole family. So it's a magnificent way to talk about all sorts of things that kids encounter on a daily basis. And in that way, you can make sure that your child develops its vocabulary words, but also whole sentence structures, and like that, make sure that the language gets richer and richer. And so this idea doesn't give your day more hours, but it definitely makes your family time richer. So here I want to show you real quick how it looks at our dinner table. So here's where my little girl sits, and this is her table mat. And I placed the busy picture that I chose for her under this plastic mat. This one is specifically of Stokke, but there are for sure other brands that have something similar. The great thing about this is that it cannot move, so for my child it's pretty great. She can spill and nothing happens. So what happens is that when my baby girl sits down, she starts pointing at things that she likes about the picture. And what I do, or what my husband does, is then comment and tell a little story about what's happening at that precise spot. For instance, oh look, a man is crossing the road and it's raining and the wind is blowing. You know, and like that, you keep on telling what you see. You can ask questions, you can also name things. My child is 20 months old. She sometimes repeats what I say, and otherwise she's only just listening and pointing at things. But if your child is older, you can definitely also use busy pictures. You can use these ones, but if your child is older and you think that this is not suited for his age, you could also use normal pictures, interesting pictures about topics that interest your child. You can find those in the internet, print them, laminate them, and use them as well. Another idea is to use these busy pictures as table sets for the whole family. Now I have here different ones, but the idea would be then to use the same picture everywhere for every family member, so that everybody can see the same one at the same time and comment and ask questions and so on. By using busy pictures on your dinner table, you will use your time more efficiently, and most of all, you'll make sure that your child develops his or her language skills faster. Thank you very much for watching, and please, if you haven't subscribed, do it now. You will get constantly new material, new games from me for free.